Let's take a minute and talk about the paleo diet. What is it and why in the world should you try it? I'm here to answer those questions. The paleo diet has gained a lot of momentum in the past couple of years. It's what we would call trendy. It's something that even now at the grocery store, you'll see snacks that say paleo friendly, or people will say, oh, I eat paleo, or oh, can I have the paleo version of that menu or something. It's kind of like gluten-free. It's gaining a lot of momentum, but there's definitely some misunderstandings about it and some confusion about what it means to eat paleo and what it would look like for you to join our paleo course and to just have a better understanding of it. So I just want to do a quick little tutorial for you to understand what's the deal with paleo and why you should eat paleo. The paleo diet is called that because it's basically a diet that's modeled after our Paleolithic ancestors. So that means kind of like the caveman concept. It means that we will be eating foods that historically humans have been eating for a really long time. The idea is that we're consuming foods that are high in nutrients, that are easy to digest, and that our ancestors have been eating for forever. So it just makes a lot of sense in terms of our history as humans. So that's what the word is referring to, is like Paleolithic. That's why we call it paleo. Now, the reason that you should consider eating a paleo diet has a couple of layers. The most important aspect is when you look at the standard American diet, which the synonym is SAD, and appropriately so, the SAD diet or standard American diet is not doing us any favors. If you look at a lot of the disease and deaths within the United States, you'll see that a lot of them are preventable. We really struggle in this country with heart disease, cancer, diabetes, all sorts of issues because people eat foods and they kind of get out of control. They have sweet tooths or are eating terrible, bad, artificially made fats. There's a lot of problems with how the standard American diet fuels us, and it's not good. It's not good for us. It's not good for our children. And a lot of people are starting to see that they need to make a change. That's where the paleo diet comes in, and especially our course, the paleo mini course, can be a great way for you to familiarize yourself with paleo and have a better understanding of what it's like to be eating whole foods to provide your body with nutrients without all the extra junk. So what it really comes down to is not just providing the body with proper nutrition, but also making it easy for your body to digest foods without causing any issues. The standard American diet is full of processed foods, lots of sugars, and they're really challenging to break those things down. If nature didn't make it, let's say if it's a food that's made in a lab or in an industrial building, most likely it's going through some type of process that by the time that we get it and we actually consume it, we're making our body work really, really hard to break that down. So it takes energy, and sometimes so much energy that some of it's left over within the body and it sits within the intestines and it ferments or it grows bacteria or it does not fun things inside of there. So what we're doing with this paleo course is allowing you to have 3 weeks or 21 days where you get to eat real food and give your body a break from the burden of the standard American diet. Give your body a break from the constantly having to break down and digest these really, really challenging foods, and learn how to make better choices. Learn how to eat foods that nature provides and that our bodies were designed to eat, digest, and utilize nutrients from. The paleo diet truly works wonders. I've seen it change people's lives. I've seen people go off medications because of it. I've certainly seen people have more energy, lose weight. It's phenomenal on so many levels, you guys. I just absolutely can't say enough about it. Now, the last thing I want to tell you is that the paleo diet, just to clarify, what it means is that you're basically eating meat, vegetables, fruit, nuts, seeds, and some natural sweeteners, maybe like honey or maple syrup. And that's it. Everything else is off the table. So that means no pop, no gluten, no dairy, except for you can have butter and ghee, and no grains. So no rice, no oats, no peanuts, no peanut butter, no hummus, no beans. All of that stuff is off the table. Now, I understand that a lot of you may feel like those things are healthy options, and I get it. Some people do really well with those foods, but what we're trying to do here is to give your body a break from anything that's complex in terms of the digestive process and just eat the basics so that your body can have a restart. Your body can have a break from those things, and trust me, you will feel a difference. So if you haven't already, I really suggest that you look into paleo and that you join our course right this second, because we are gonna help you change your life and feel your best. All right, so come on, call us right now or text us or message us on here, and we will get you signed up in no time, and you can join our wonderful online community where you can learn the ins and outs of eating paleo, and we will make sure that you are successful so that it's not challenging. You will eat like kings and queens, I promise you. And this is it, guys. This is the day where you change your life with good nutrition. So come on, join us.